Wash the aloe vera leaf under running tap water. Slice the leaf into 5 to 8 pieces. Cut the thorns on the both sides. Put them in water for 10 minutes. Take it out and wash it one more time under running tap water. Now scrape the aloe vera gel from it. Add the fresh aloe vera gel to a mixer. Squeeze one whole lemon into it. Grind it to make it a paste. Take a cotton pad and dip it into the mask and apply it onto your scalp and hair. Section your hair and press the cotton pad to release the juice. Aloe vera reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair roots. It relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. It stimulates healthy hair growth. Lemon promotes hair growth and maintains scalp's health. Do this onto your entire scalp and hair. Once done, put a bun. Leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. Do this weekly twice and see your hair grow faster in just 1 month.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.